Okay, so we're going to be looking at linear equations, first without absolute value, and then we will see how to solve them when they have absolute value. If we go to page 81 of the textbook and we look at question 6, is here copied as negative 3y plus 20 equals 2, and we have to solve this for y. That means we have to end up having y by itself. Now, how do we solve this? Well, first we need to get rid of 20, so we subtract 20 from both sides. When we subtract 20 from the left, it disappears and we just have negative 3y left. And when we subtract 20 from the right side, will be 2 minus 20, which is negative 18. However, let's just write it like this. Why? Well, because this gives you an insight into how to write it otherwise. That is, if I have 20, I can move it to the other side as negative 20. And now it seems like nothing, but later on you will see how this simplifies the work tremendously. Next, we already are at the point that we have negative 3y equals negative 18. Next step is to divide by negative 3. When we divide by negative 3, the left side, the negative 3 disappears and we have only y. When we divide negative 18 by negative 3, we get 6. And again, here I am moving negative 3 to the other side from multiplying to a division position, the same way that 20 was moved from an addition position to the other side to a subtraction position. So the answer in question 6 is 6. Okay. Question 8. Question 8, we have 4x minus 11 equals 7x plus 20. Well, here we have x in two different places. What do we do? Well, first of all, we must put all terms containing variable x in one side. We can either put them on the right side or the left side, it doesn't matter. In this case, we are moving 7x to the left, right? And applying the technique I told you before, if I have 7x positive, I move it to the left negative. And I have negative 11 here, I can move it to the other side as plus 11. And here you can see already that by doing what I told you in example 6, it simplifies the work tremendously, and we can finish or we can move on much faster. Next step, 4x minus 7x is negative 3x, 20 plus 11 is 31. The next step is just moving negative 3 from a multiplying position to a division position. And the final answer is minus 31 over 3.